You think you're saving money when you shop on sale, right? But what if I told you, chasing discounts could be the fastest way to go broke? That 30% off might actually cost you more in the long run. If that made you raise an eyebrow, hit like and subscribe, because this one's going to flip your smart shopper instincts upside down. Let's break it down. This is what economists call the false saving effect. It's when we confuse spending less with saving money. But here's the truth. You don't save money by spending it. You save by not spending. Think about it. You walk into Target for toothpaste. You see a buy one, get one half off sign on hoodies. Suddenly, you're $60 lighter, feeling like a genius. But did you plan to buy those hoodies? Or did the discount trick your brain into thinking it was a good decision? Here's the paradox. The more discounts you chase, the more you end up buying things you don't need. And over time, those savings destroy your actual savings. Let's get into why this happens. Your brain loves discounts. It triggers the same reward system as winning a prize. That little deal high, it's not accidental. Retailers know this, and they design everything to exploit it. Flash sales, countdown timers. Only 2 left in stock. They create urgency that hijacks your logic. You didn't need a third pair of headphones. But 40% off? Now you want them. And here's the kicker. Those products are often marked up before being marked down. So even your deal isn't really a deal. Let's talk numbers. In 2022, U.S. consumers spent over $120 billion on impulse purchases triggered by discounts. Not emergencies, not needs, just dopamine-fueled shopping. Now zoom in. You think you saved $30 on that smartwatch, but you spent $170 on something you weren't budgeting for. That's not saving. That's overspending, dressed in a sale tag. And what's worse? These small, justified expenses don't show up on your radar. It's not like buying a car. You don't reflect. You just tap and move on. But they add up. 5 $40 impulse buys a month, that's $2,400 a year. That could have gone toward debt, investments, or even a vacation paid in full. Now let's get psychological. Discount addiction trains your brain to shop more often, not smarter. You start browsing sales instead of budgeting. You plan around promotions, not priorities. And instead of building financial discipline, you build financial noise. It gets even more dangerous in a world of one-click buying. Amazon, TikTok shops, push notifications. Your wallet doesn't even get a chance to think. And retailers love this because they're not just selling products, they're selling behavior. And the more you chase that next limited-time offer, the more predictable and profitable you become. So, here's the big question. Are you using discounts to save money or just to feel better about spending it? Let me know in the comments. What's one thing you bought on sale that you totally regret? And if this made you rethink your shopping habits, send it to a friend who says, but it was 50% off every time they open a package. Because building wealth isn't just about income, it's about intentional decisions. And remember, wisdom doesn't come from degrees. It comes from small daily decisions.